Okay, guys, look at this kitty right here. This is my aunt's cat. And y'all should all know that I'm older than her. I'm 10, she's 9. And then she likes to play around. And then she goes running. And this is my second room. I have to share a room with my brother. There's my aunt and my sister's room. There's a living room, my grandpa. And then there's a dog right there, which is hers. Whoa, did y'all see that? Wait. Hold on, we're going to keep it right outside this door.
Hey, what are you doing in there?
Nothing. Okay. We're going to see if we see lightning. Let's see. Yeah, so we might see lightning. And if you see lightning, comment down below and like this video. I'm sorry, I haven't been telling. Oh, there's my dog walking. Oh, I don't think I could hear. Oh, she has a stick. Hold on, let me go let her inside this. So I'm gonna be in this video really quick. We are looking if it's thunder or lightning. If you guys could see it, you guys can right now. Oh, did you see that? Comment down below if you saw that. Okay, I need to show y'all guys a rainbow. Sorry guys, I just fell. And there's a rainbow outside. Look. It gets gloomy over here, and then there's a rainbow. That was big lightning. Let's go back inside. Yeah. She fell again. So close. I fell again. Okay. There's the clouds. Okay, guys. Bye.